summarization, we can say that an electron releasing group stabilizes the carbocation by dispersing its positive charge and therefore activates the ring, while an electron withdrawing group destabilizes the carbocation by intensifying its positive charge and therefore deactivates the ring. Further, an activating group activates although all positions of the benzene ring, its activating effect is much more on ortho and para positions than on meta positions. With the result, substitution occurs mainly on the ortho and para position. Similarly, a deactivating group deactivates although all positions in the benzene ring, its deactivating effect is much more on ortho and para positions than on meta position. With the result, further reaction occurs mainly on the meta position. In short, the activating or deactivating effect of a group is strongest at the ortho and the para positions. Now the next, theory of orientations and carbocation stability. The ortho, para or meta directing nature of the groups can also be explained on the relative stabilities of the intermediate carbocations, and for convenience, the effect of the different substituents are considered in the four heads. 1. Ortho-para directing group with plus inductive effect. The simplest example of such group is a methyl group. So let us draw and compare the carbocation formed by electrophilic attack at ortho, para and meta positions of toluene. Each of these carbocations is a resonance hybrid of three structures like 1A, 1B, 1C. 1A is especially stable because positive charge is present on carbon carrying plus inductive effect and hence easily neutralized. There is the ortho substitution, the para substitution, especially stable, positive charge easily neutralized. It is to be noted that in contributing structures 1A of the ortho substitution and 2B of the para substitution, the positive charge is located on the carbon atom carrying the methyl group. These structures have special significance because the electron releasing methyl group, although releases electrons to all positions of the ring, it does so more strongly to the carbon atom nearest to it. With the result, the positive charge on such a carbon is highly dispersed and hence the concerned structures 1A, 1 and 2B are particularly stable. On account of contribution from structure 1A and 2B, the hybrid carbocations formed during attack at ortho and para positions are more stable than the hybrid carbocations having no structures like 1A and 2B formed during the attack at meta positions. As a result, ortho-para substitution is faster than meta substitution in toluene. The situation is particularly the same in case of all other alkyl groups. The next, ortho-para directing groups having weaker minus inductive and stronger plus mesomeric effect. We know that all ortho-para directing groups except alkyl groups exerts the minus inductive effect and plus metameric effect. Further that in all such groups except halogens. Plus metameric effect much stronger and hence more important than the negative inductive effect. With the result, all ortho-para directing groups except halogens activate the benzene ring for further substitution. Since the activating effect is stronger in ortho and para positions than in the meta position, further substitution occurs in ortho-para positions. Now, let us see the ortho and para directing effects of such groups. For example, the NH2 group on the basis of stabilities of the intermediate carbocation. The carbocation formed by electrophilic attack at the ortho and para and meta positions of aniline are resonance hybrids of the corresponding structures as 4A, 4B, 4C. The ortho substitution, the extra resonance from especially stable, every atom has an octet. the para substitution. Extra resonance form is especially stable. Important to note here that carbocation of ortho and para substituents are hybrids of 4 contributing structures, while that of meta position is a hybrid of only 3 structures. Further, it must also be noted that the contributing structures 4D of the ortho substitution and 5D of the para substitution are particularly stable, since in these every atom has a complete octet of electrons except hydrogen, which has a duplet. Consequently, the hybrid carbocations formed during ortho and para substitutions are much more stable than the hybrid carbocation formed during the meta substitution, which has no structure comparable to 4D and 5D or during the attack on benzene itself. Hence, substitution in aniline occurs faster in benzene and mainly in ortho and para positions. A similar explanation is applicable to other groups like NHR, NR2, OH, OR, etc. Now next, ortho-para-diactic groups having stronger minus inductive effect and weaker plus mesomeric effect. The effect of halogen is partly similar to that of the type of NH2 group, with a significant difference that the halogen exerts strong minus inductive effect, while the NH2 type of groups exerts the weak minus inductive effect. The strong minus inductive effect of halogens bears an important implication on the stability of carbocation formed by the attack of an electrophile on the ortho and para positions. The various contributing structures of the carbocation formed by the attack of an electrophile on the ortho, para and meta positions of a halogenobenzene is like this, that is for chlorobenzene.